Uigrun. Let's learn how to make phrases. Take a look at the English phrases. You will realize that they are primarily used for greetings, but can also be used for making communication much easier and understandable in every formal context. What makes phrases different from regular words is the way how they create sentences that are used in communication. In order to make new phrases, you need to take a look at the existing languages.
Why do I need to look at the existing languages?
Well, that's because you can use these languages as an inspiration. If you want to make phrases for your conlang, you need to do this simple exercise. Look at the roots in existing languages and determine what words are used for some basic phrases. I mean, what words are used in communication between two people. Depending on the kind of phrases, you can create greetings, school phrases, and some business vocabulary. As long as you have the information of what phrases are used in everyday communication, you can finally start building the phrases for your conlang.
Yay, let's do it!
Okay, Willy. The first and most important list of phrases that you will need in your conlang are the greetings.
Hi, hello.
Yes. The first thing you should do is to create the phrases for greetings by modeling the existing words, by typing them in random order, or by developing new roots for the main words. You can do it also in the way I did in my conlang. So the first phrase, for example, is Uigrun.
Uigrun.
Yes, the first phrase that we hear in the videos of the conlang tutorial series. Uigrun means hello.
Uigrun. Hello, teacher.
Hello, Willy. This word is generated with a prefix ui. It contains 3 letters. The second part, grün, simply means healthy.
But grün means green in German.
Yes, but this is not German, this is Epsognian. So, the next word is uimov. It means good afternoon. Mov means afternoon. Ui means good. Uiznoik trab. Good evening. For wishing someone a good night's sleep, the phrase Aidwo haesu is used.
Aid means good.
No, this means easy night in literal translation. It consists of the prefix ayod, meaning easy, and this part is the word root. It contains many suffixes. When the sun rises and everyone starts to wake up, the phrase uiznung is used. Znung means morning, which means the beginning of the day uses this kind of word root. This greeting is used until noontime. So, uimov is used after noon. Those are some basic greetings. To indicate pleasure, the word vutesuyot is used to say thanks.
How do I say that to another person?
Well, you have to use prefixes. Vutesru, meaning thank you, but these are the conjugations of the verb vutesu. Since Epsognian language has multiple meanings of one word, without this prefix the word will mean I thank you thank me, etc. Just forgot to tell you, the phrase goodbye is uisruig. But no, this isn't the end of the video. I have more phrases to teach you.
Vutesuyot.
Puyatsuschrön. You are welcome. The phrase welcome in Epsognian is ujatsust, as heard in the first video. Uigrun, ujatsust, and welcome. To respond to vutesuyot, which means thanks, you use the phrase puyatsuschrön, meaning you are welcome. Okay, those are the main greetings in Epsognian. When introducing to a person, we use the question. And that question is Pustsi Dzoinpu, and a person saying the name would be Vsut Nikt Soinpu, which is my name. Your name might be different. Oh, that's fine. I like how you said it in Epsognian. Okay, that's pretty much it for my conlang. If you want to create your own phrases, make sure to use these simple techniques for making phrases. Find a phrase book online. You can find any language phrases on the internet and analyze how are they made. Some phrases are just one word, but in some languages there are many complex words, and the phrases require multiple words. English language has more than just one word. Good and afternoon, good and evening. Those are two words for one phrase. So, with the basic knowledge of making phrases, you can make some custom phrases like enjoy your meal, enjoy your work. These are some examples. You can find many phrases on the internet if you want to make something for your conlang.
How do I say these two phrases in Epsolian?
Great question. These two phrases are win psol and we answer. You can customize the phrases by changing the prefix, using other words, and by analyzing those sentences, you can create a full list of phrases that you will use specifically for the conlang purposes. Okay, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Enjoy making new words and phrases simply by using the techniques from this video. Here's a bonus phrase. Ihutseb. It means how are you. Ich is another prefix for second person. And vuisren means I'm fine. But there is a problem. P prefix is already used, and ich consists of subtraction and sentence prefixes, but p is for a regular pronoun. Ihutseb would mean how do you feel. Putseb would mean how are you. This combination would require a context word. Putseb oetsust. How is it going? If you put ihutseb, this would be the meaning. How is it going? Because ich is used to refer to a different person in communication, as it was explained in my first video of the Conlang series. You can also watch the word building tutorial if you haven't watched already, and if you like this tutorial and want more videos, consider subscribing. And I will make more Conlang tutorials in the future. As I mentioned in the previous videos, I provide paid services for conlang creation. So, whether your main goal is to create words, phrases, or a new language from scratch, send me a DM on Instagram and we will have a Zoom call together.
I am wondering what languages do the clients want to make.
So goodbye and wisruig.
Nitik to quizruig. Goodbye everyone. Make sure to also watch these videos.